Okay, Starlink is installed on the roof with no obstruction. Everything is great. Unfortunately, it started to rain, and it's raining really hard. As we know, Starlink works actually very good when it snows, but there are multiple people reporting there are issues when it rains hard. So let's find out if this heavy rain actually affects the network performance, and we'll do a speed test. So here's the speed test. At this time, it's raining very hard. We go to Google speed test, and looks like it's doing downloading at about 30 megabytes per second and uploading at about 6 megs per second. It's a lot slower than usual. Usually I can get maybe 300 megabytes download, but it's acceptable, looks like. Okay, I speak too fast. Now it's raining even harder and the connection is lost. Immediately after I ran the speed test, I lost internet connection. The Starlink stopped working completely. There's no internet, as you can see from the uptime monitor. Still raining very hard. Look at the uptime, or rather downtime graph. It's interesting that the downtime almost happened exactly at the same time after we did the speed test. Also, after we stopped using internet for a few minutes, it actually goes back. So we can see here there are some red bars and the blue bars. The red bars are obstruction. There's actually no obstruction, just very heavy rain. But just maybe for some reason, Starlink think it lost signal because of obstruction. Um, then the blue bars are for searching. Um, so if we look at the whole process here, it's a heavy rain, lost the signal, we think it's obstructed. Then it tries to search. I'm not sure if it actually adjusted the position or not. But after 1 minute of no signal and searching, no signal, finally it got signal back again. So I'm not sure this 10-minute outage, is it because the shower stopped? It did indeed only lost the connection at the heaviest shower downpour time. But coincidentally, it happened exactly after we ran the speed test. So maybe if we don't do too intensive speed test, it might work. So I guess the lesson learned here is if it's raining too heavy, don't do too much heavy download work, which I don't know, maybe it will jam the signal and cause the lost connection. Otherwise, if do some light internet, it seems to be working just fine.